Hi friends, today's recipe is spicy chicken or chicken sambal. Let's get started. First of all, I'm going to cut the potatoes into wedges. Now combine the potatoes and chicken together. Add turmeric and salt and mix well. I have coated the chicken and the potato with the turmeric and salt well. Items to be blend: garlic, ginger and onions. And these are the spices I'm going to use for saute, that is cinnamon, bay leaf and cumin. Onions, garlic and ginger. These dried chilies I have pre-boiled so it will be easy to blend. Add 1 cup of water and blend it till it becomes a smooth paste. Fry the chicken in a hot oil. You can make use of the same oil, just remove some of it. Now add in the spices. Add the chili paste and saute it. Add 2 cups of water and cook till the oil comes up. Now add in the chicken cube and continue to cook till it's a bit dry. Add salt according to your taste. Now add the fried chicken and stir well. Add milk and the chili sauce and continue to stir well. Cook for a minute and the spicy chicken is ready to be served.